Try my people, finally Mariewiseborn don't become Mrs. Bliss. I'm so happy for them. Today na their wedding day. Everybody just they happy, they jubilate, they go. This one don't become Ghana versus Nigeria. No be small thing. A lot of people shot through her yesterday wey be her traditional marriage. Some people come they talk which kind dressing be this, why she come tie gele like waiting I no know. But in all things the girl still fine. So this video now all about her wedding date, so blissful in the eyes of anybody wey go watch am. I got allow una make una watch the rest of the video, make una take una eye see wetin God do. It's good to be appreciative, it's good to be a lover of good thing. If you're a lover of good thing, make sure you give us the thumbs up, like, comment, share our videos, share this particular video so that good thing will come to you. If you are in need of a husband, make sure you share this video so that God will remember you this year. Okay, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there.